Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this Chinese chicken vegetable stir fry. Instead of going to a restaurant to get it, you can make this at the comfort of your home. I have my boneless chicken. This is the chicken thigh. So to marinate, I'm gonna be adding garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, chicken seasoning, salt, cornstarch. So right now go ahead to mix everything together for the marinade. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 25 to 30 minutes in the fridge to marinate. While the meat is marinating in the fridge, let's go ahead to prep our veggies. Lastly, our broccoli. So these are the veggies I'll be making use of. So here I have my pot. In it I have some water. So I'll allow it to boil for some minutes before I'll come back to add the broccoli and carrots. I just want to cook it a little. So we have our water boiling. I'll go ahead to add the broccoli and carrots. So I'm going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll take it off the heat. So it's 3 minutes already. I'll turn off the heat. Then I'll quickly transfer this into cold ice water because I don't want it to overcook and also to retain its texture. And after that, immediately I'll go ahead to sieve it out of the cold water, ice water. It's time to fry the meat. I have my pan on a medium heat. So I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. So I'm gonna fry this in 2 batches. So this is actually the first batch. I'm gonna be frying this in 2 batches. So we'll allow it to fry for some minutes, then we'll flip it to the other side. So right now I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. We're done with the meat. We'll go ahead to start the. Now I'm going to be making this sauce for the stir fry veggies. So I'm gonna add some oyster sauce, some dark soy sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar. So you can actually use honey instead of brown sugar for this. Mix it up, then set aside. We're done with this. In a pot, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil. So that I'll add some ginger and garlic. I'm also going to be adding some crushed red pepper. So right now we'll add our vegetables. I'll be adding the green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, white onion, red bell pepper. Just fry for a few minutes on a high heat. So right now we're adding my broccoli and carrot. So now it's time to add our savory or sauce. So you can reduce your heat for it to simmer for some minutes. So we'll leave it for some minutes to simmer, like about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So our Chinese chicken vegetable stir fry is ready. This is looking beautiful, amazingly beautiful. So this stir fry can be served on its own, or you can serve it with rice, pasta, plantain, whatever food you would like to serve it with, that's fine. And also I'll be leaving everything I use in the description box. Make sure you check it out, okay? Share this recipe with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.